Welcome to this explainer. Ready to decode the cruise industry's best-kept secret for massive savings and VIP perks?
Seriously, are you overpaying for your cruises? Let's look at how to stop leaving money on the table.
The real secret? It's the massive price gap between standard, everyday rates and exclusive group rates. Just look at these actual receipts side by side. The price difference for the exact same cabin is wild. You're keeping a massive $578 right in your pocket just by using a cruise planner's group rate. Same exact interior stateroom, totally different price tag. I mean, the math really speaks for itself here.
Plus, you get zero upfront deposits, fully refundable terms, and sweet onboard credit to spend right away.
Now, one quick catch. These deep discounts on exclusive group rates are based on double occupancy. But hey, a cruise planner's value isn't just financial. It's about getting next-level, strategic travel expertise too.
Take shore excursions. Skip those crowded ship buses. Advisors hook you up with curated, intimate, local tours instead.
These independent tours actually slash your excursion costs by up to 50% and zero annoying crowds.
Worried about missing the boat? Don't be. Reputable local operators include a rock-solid back-to-ship guarantee.
Your advisor also crafts perfect day-by-day itineraries, like this awesome 6-night adventure of the sea sailing.
They even analyze historical weather data. You'll get those warm 80-degree October days with minimal gale risks.
This expert climate knowledge steers you totally clear of storm-prone areas for absolute peace of mind.
And they score you killer VIP access, snagging those sold-out overwater cabanas or throw water park passes.
The only downside? These heavily discounted group rate staterooms are super limited and go strictly first come, first serve.
With hundreds of dollars in VIP perks on the line, why ever book the old way again?